Clarendon, Jamaica. A woman allegedly stabbed a man she found in bed with another female. Me telling you, say, don't rampant Jamaican woman. Let me deal with you wrong. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. Yeah, here is another case of another man that cannot keep his water hose in his pants. A 45-year-old Hope McLean of Goshen district in Mocho in Clarendon has been arrested and charged with wounded with intent following an altercation in the community on Saturday. Reports from the police are that about 12 p.m. McLean found the eventual victim in bed with another woman and she used a knife to stab him in the stomach. He managed to escape, you lucky, me I tell you, and was taken to the hospital, from where the report was made from the police. The man was admitted in serious condition, but stable. McLean was later located and taken into custody and was charged Thursday. Her court date have not been finalized, but me want una fi know, me want una fi realize, said this ya man ya lucky, cause right in front of him, yai, him life fly. Don't ramp with Jamaican woman heart. They are nice. In the beginning, me attack when the relationship just start. But you ramp with them and see what you get. You put your hand pan them and see what you get. And go cheat pan them and make them. Don't get catch because you couldn't get wet. This ya boy ya lucky. Cause Hope McLean from Goshen district in a Mocho in a Clarendon at least gave him another chance. But you know Jamaican man, him not lose him, learn him lesson. When him come out of hospital, him a go take the cuttings as a blessing because more gal are him down. As so we crazy, as so we dumb. Listen, leave your comment. Leave your comment. Make me know if this ya boy will get sliced up like a some bully beef. I got turn around and return to Hope in the night like a thief. Yeah, me a talk about Hope McLean slice him up. A Goshen district then say she come from Mocho. Yeah, in a Clarendon. Listen to me boys. Listen to me man. Me no care if you all are young. Don't play dumb. Now ramp with Jamaican gal when she give you some. You better stay at home and be loyal or run. You hear what me I say? Them Jamaican woman ya don't ramp. Clarendon, she slice him up. Lucky him didn't have on a jeans pants. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, a Deep Roach TV. Me want you subscribe, like and share. You hear? Big up yourself. Say me come to ya. Fire key to the world. Ramping Jamaican girl. Pluck out to ya.
Say from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the food that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier, real fire king. Yeah. Balala, man.
Respect,